Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, April 26, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, April 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 26, 2025, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, April 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for April 26, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, April 26, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.